Good morning, student. Today we are discuss about the second part of first chapter, knowing our numbers, and the second part is estimation. In first part, we are study about numbers, greater and smaller numbers, comparison of numbers, international system of writing numbers, and the place value chart, Indian system and international system. So today we are discuss about estimation of numbers. So let's start rounding a number to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Nearest 10 means you know what is the 10. So how can you write nearest 10 or how can you estimate the numbers? There are some steps. Step first. Step first is see the ones digit of the given number. First of all, you see the first digit of the given numbers. Second step, if one digit is less than 5, replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. And the third step is if one digit is 5, increase 10 digit by 1 and replace one digit by 0. These are the three steps. How can we use these steps in a number? So let we take an example and understand how we put the step and how can we round the number at the nearest 10. So first example is in 53 the one digit is in 53. First step, see the one digit of the given number. One's digit, what is the one's digit? 3. 3. And the second step, if one digit is less than 5. As you can see, 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So what you can do? Replace one's digit by 0. What you are do? Replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. So in the place of 3 you can write 0. So number become 15. So number become 50. There are the three steps. You can remember these steps, so can you easily write the nearest 10. First step is the see the ones digit of the given number. First up, what you can do, see the first ones digit. If one's digit is less than 5, then you can write in digit you can replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digit as same. Now come on the next example. We can take more one example. If 47, if 47 is a number, so number rounding to the nearest of the 10. Rounding of the nearest 10. How can you do? See the ones digit of the given number. You can see one's digit is 7. Now we going for the third step. If one's digit is 5, increase 10 digit. You can see 7 is greater than 5. So what can you do? Increase 10th digit by 1 and replace one's digit by 0. In this number, this is the ones, this is the tens. So what you can do, increase tens digit by 1. Tens digit by 1, increase means plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and replace ones digit by 0, and ones digit is 7, so you can write 0. This is the nearest 10. This example, ones digit is less than 5, and this example have ones digit is greater than 5. So you can do more examples with your side. Now come on the next is rounding a number to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. 100 means like that. So how can you do? Here are also some steps. Step first is see the tens digit of the given number. See the tens digit of the given number. Step 2, if tens digit is less than 5, replace each one of tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. These rules you can read very carefully and think. What is written? If tens digit is less than 5. If tens digit is less than 5, then you replace each one of tens and ones digit by 0. You can replace ones and tens digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. And the third step is, if this digit is 5 or more, increase 100 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. For these rules, we take an example so you can easily understand. First example, in 648, you can write ones, tens, 100. First, see the tens digit. Tens digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So what can you do? Ones and tens digit replace by 0 and keep the other digit as they are, and keep the other digit. So what is the round figure number is 600. And we take other examples. 676. 676. So you can check the tens digit. Tens digit is greater than 5. So what can you do? You do 100 digit by 1 and replace 100 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 100. You can do add plus 1. So 6 and 1 become 7, and both right hand side digit replaced by 0. This is the estimate number of 100. And the third is rounding a number to the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. You know that in the thousands there are 30. Step first, see the in all tens, hundreds and thousands there are only 3 steps. Step by step you can do very easily. So the first step is see the hundreds digit of the given number. If 100 digit is less than 5, replace each one of hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. If hundreds digit is 5 or more, increase thousands digit by 1 and replace each digit on right side by 0. For these three rules, we take an example 5486. Now the first rule is see the hundreds digit. You can know this is the ones, tens, hundreds, and hundreds digit is less than 5. So what you can do? 5 and these replaced by 0. So this is your answer. This is your answer. If you think if this is the 8, if in the place of 4 there are 8, then 8 is greater than 5. So what you can do? You add 1 in the thousand and replace all digit by 0. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6 and all other digit become 0. This is the third row. So tens, hundreds and thousand both are similar, but there are minor difference. In ones you in tens you can see the ones digit. In hundreds you can see the tens digit, and in thousand you can see the hundreds number digit. If this digit is greater than 5, then add one number, add 1 in the previous digit, and if these digits are less than 5, so you can replace by 0 all. There are one topic remaining, Roman numerals. What is the Roman numerals? One of the early system of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to write any numerals. These symbols are given below. For one you can write this symbol. For 5 you can write this symbol. For 10 you can write this. 50 you can write L. 100 you can write C, and 500 you can write D, and 1000 you can write M. You take an example CXIV. From the table you can see C stand for 5, C stand for 100. So I write 100. X stand for 10. So I add 10. I stand for 1. And this symbol is called 4, so you can directly write 4. Now add these things, you can get 114. Now you can try from your side more and more examples you can do, and if you have faced any problem, and tell me, I solve all the problems. Thank you.